people who is coming to the camp for the first time. Like maybe we will be stuck with something. He will come and ask whether you need something, you need to buy something, you need some money. Like I don't know how he's managing. I know he was the one who is getting lower salary among us, but he used to manage everything for any people, any person, any time. Even if I forget, he will come and ask. You are telling me that you want to go somewhere this time. Do I want to join you? He is such a person. Also, even Asad told, he used to call me in the evenings and he will tell me, he will correct me like what you did was not correct or what you did was not the correct thing like that. So I am always thankful to him. Even now we are in contact and it will be there like forever. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Good, Shikmar.
Yeah, so like Deepu said, he when I joined the Petrocom, he was the one who took me for for dinner, and he was the one who introduced me to the camp and people, and he used to carry me all the day to work. I only had few days with him, not like Deepu and other colleagues. But what I can say is his heart is pure. He's a very genuine person, straightforward one. So that will be the virtue of what I see in him. It will be. I'm very pleased to say that he will be successful in his life. And I wish him all the best because he's a nice person, he's a genuine person, so he will not fall.
Alright. Thank you.
Kiran. Okay. Jeffrey, as everyone said, he has also helped me a lot. To make me not got the card, so when I got sick, he is the first person who called me, and he was keep on following up whether I need to go to hospital. But I don't want to disturb anyone, so I said no. But still, he was following continuously. He came to the camp, he picked me, and he went to the hospital. So again, we went for evening to take the blood samples and all. So not only that, like every time he used to ask for help, help others. I see like other cases also. He's like a genuine person. We are still in contact, and whenever he is like, I wish all the best for him, like whether it's in business or whatever it is. Just keep in touch.
Alright.
Yeah, Jeffrey, we are all missing you actually. So, me and Jeffrey, we always have a lot of discussions, basically on religion, Christianity, and which is his favorite topic also. So, all those times, evening times, we usually go to the parking, spend maybe half an hour, 1 hour, on arguing on a lot of things. He's a very good friend. Jeffrey, I'm looking forward to come to your home and having that martini, whatever it is. So see you in India. Best of luck.
Okay.
Hi Jeffrey, we are all missing you. You are one of the like a gem of a person we have met. When I was new to Doha and I was staying in camp, and after 1 week I went to another place to stay. I missed one day the key, and I had to come back to office, and I was not having transportation at that time. And Jeffrey took me back to office, helped me to get the key and dropped me to the place where I stay. So at the early stage it was all difficult. So Jeffrey was taking initiative, asking me if you have any problem always, any need of help. So this is one of the things I remember. And then he came to my home during Christmas. I believe he reached almost everyone's
home, yes.
with a cake.
Yes.
So during this COVID time, it's really we were so stuck, and whenever we are getting on such special day, somebody coming with a cake and giving to our kids, it's a great feeling. So Jeffrey, thank you. We will be in touch, and all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Hello Jeffrey. I couldn't get much chance to work with him. When I joined here immediately, I got positive and I was working from home. And then when I came back, he asked me how's your health, everything, but couldn't get much chance to work with him in the office during office days. But from the wordings from my colleagues, I think I really missed one good colleague and a good friend. Wishing you all the very best for your future endeavor. All the best.
Thank you.
Hi Jeffrey. I think during my when I affected Corona, you contacted me on WhatsApp. I also really miss you. You came to my home just before you leaving. I mean 1 month back or something. I never know that you are going to leave because I came to know this after some time. Anyway, thanks for everything, for all the help, and hope to see you soon someday. Thanks.
Thank you. Navya, Naga, Simon. Come on, Naga, sir.
Hi, how are you? Miss you so much. It's been almost 2 years. I didn't see you last time again when I left the office for my vacation. And then, actually, as everyone said about him, that he's really a good-hearted person and full of kindness. He personally has given many advices to me for what to do, for what to learn. So you are a beginner, so you have time to learn everything. So go with the flow, don't pushing yourself too much. So if you do like that, you can't find a proper channel to be here or stay here to learn something. So I actually want to say one personal instance with him. When I got sick, actually that day was very rain. It was a heavy rain. I didn't inform to anyone. Actually, I was about to call the taxi. No one has come. Then I was past his room. So he suddenly called me. What happened? Why you are not coming to office? So I informed him that I am not feeling well. So then he carried me. So he just said, just wait 5 minutes outside. I'll come. I thought he will come and give some instruction, so to take tablets or do something like that. But he immediately asked me to get into the car. So it was actually around 10 o'clock at the night time. So we went to the hospital, and I don't know the procedure. I don't have any medical card. So he paid from his own money. I didn't carry because I never thought we are going to the hospital only. So I didn't know first event. So he stayed at that time with me, and even he bought food, and he said whatever you want order, and finish the dinner, then we moved after we finished. So it was a heavy rain. I couldn't. I was really shivered due to the climate, and he pampered me at that time, said like my brother, like my elder brother. So after we came to home, he just to make sure I'm okay. Then only he left the home. So actually we reached around 1 o'clock something. So I never forget that instant with him. I'm really thankful. Looking forward to seeing him again. Thank you, brother. Love you.
Hi Jeffrey. Initially I was very effortful. I thought he's very serious. So I didn't talk to him. But later I could understand that he's a very friendly person. He was very supportive. And as he said, Christmas Day he came to our home with a cake. And we were very happy. We spent some time there, and that time, he was. One day I saw he was crying. Means her eyes of. He was crying. I asked him what happened. That time he told in home there is some problem like that. And then we talked some time. And after that I got work from home, so I could not get a chance to talk to him. So Jeffrey, we will miss you. All the best. We are wishing a good luck to your future.
Yes. Shaimul.
Hi Jeffrey. Actually, I don't have much contact with Jeffrey. Only for 1 week he has trained me. So according to me, he's a good teacher, and he made me feel like how I can work under pressure. And he gave me 2 pieces of advices also, which I am carrying out throughout in this office, and it will be very helpful for my career also. Thank you, Jeffrey. I am following that also. And after
Can you share those 2 advices?
that he shared to me
No,
only.
that not in front of anyone. Maybe some off the cigarette.
But after he left also, for up to 3 weeks he used to message me, ask me how I am, he knows how much the work was here. So he has taken care of me. Now only, I think recently only he stopped messaging. I hope he is well. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Isana? Just 2 words.
Okay.
I think you are new at that time, so okay. Met him before? No.
Not
no,
met him,
not
only
yet.
him.
Jeffrey,
Hi.
she is working on behalf of Prabha now. Okay. So say hi to him so that I will proceed further.
Hi
Okay.
Jeffrey, how are you? See, I couldn't meet you, but even though I heard so many times your names, Jeffrey, I heard, but I lost a chance to work with you. Thank you. There is one more thing. When I came, after you left, I spoke with Prabha ma'am, and she told a comment you are one of a pillar of this team. So that's
True. Hold the camera for me. Jeffrey, all the best for your future, and I personally miss you a lot. Other than everyone, it's officially and also personally, and he is the one, from my first kid to second kid, all the gifts, everything he brought for me from the beginning, and he's one of the best person I have seen that who is, emotional intelligent in our company. Okay, I never seen such an emotional intelligent person in our company. Okay, so all the best. I know you will be shine everywhere, wherever you go. All the best. Thank you. Okay. Moves on to Shahzad.
Hi Jeffrey. Actually, Jeffrey, I don't know what words I want to tell actually. I'm not getting any words. But the thing is that, life is like a journey. Okay. We all in our small age, we used to travel in a train. Okay. We meet a lot of people in the train, and each people will step out in the stations. Okay, so we meet some people who we cherish that memories. So you are the one of the person. Really, we have heard all people what we are talking about you. It doesn't matter how many years you worked it, but it matters in the short time you put your love towards to everyone, because you never told no to anyone. And one of the things it's amazed me, I'm the person, I don't talk to any people who is very, arrogant, who is not supportive and all. But you talk to everyone, irrespective of their attitude or behavior or whatever it may be. That makes me, amazed how you can do it, how you can mingle with that kind of people, and you never, even if somebody hurts you also, you doesn't put in your heart. You just forgive them, and you just, you mingle with them. That is also really amazed me, because I'm the person, I keep everything in my mind. So I learn from you not to put things in your heart. Okay, and in professionally, you are very hard worker, but again, I have some of my suggestions are there, okay, because you need to be a systematic, okay. I mean, this really going to help you, because everything it's in your mind, but you should, I mean, when you are going to run your own business, but it will help you if you are systematic, okay. I mean, because if you are not systematic, then after some time, you know, I mean, it is going to destroy you, okay. I mean, please try to be systematic, and you know, I mean, put everything in order. I mean, just you know, I mean, don't put it here and there, and just everything is in your mind, but I mean, but make it order. Then it is really going to help you, and we trust and we believe that one day you will become the great businessman. So I mean, me and Bala and we'll come there for a job.
For sure.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, yes.
Yeah? So wish you all the best, Jeffrey, and thank you for your support extended to me and for the colleagues and to the company. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jeffrey. This is a small farewell for you, and sorry we missed to provide you a good farewell for you, but this is consider this as a farewell, and we will come and meet you personally. Thank you.